Good morning, my boys. As I told you on earlier occasion, that today we shall learn how to summarize a passage. That is summarizing. You have learned it in class 8 and also in 9. Still, we have another scope, another opportunity to learn it. So, I told you yesterday that before summarizing, you have to pick out the points, and in the given passage you can find 12 points. So first we are going to learn summarizing a passage. Okay, we are going to learn this, and I told you earlier, that we have to pick up the points, and in this passage we can get 12 points, and I also told this on earlier occasion. The points are: point number 1, Egyptian kings are called pharaohs. Okay. Next, point number 2, Tutankhamun, became the pharaoh at the age of 10 years. 3, he was the son of Akhenaten. He was the son of Akhenaten. Point number 4, he ruled between 1332 and 1323 BC. Point number 5, he constructed many buildings around Thebes and Karnak. That means he arranged to construct. He constructed many temples, many buildings around Thebes and Karnak. Next point, that is 6, he constructed many temples and monuments. He constructed many temples and monuments. Next, I am writing these points because this is the way you have to pick up the points in such way. He reconstructed many dilapidated temples. 8, he suffered from different physical ailments. Ailment means illness. 9. He used a cane. He used a cane to walk. Next. 10. 10. The preserved body of a pharaoh is called the preserved body of a pharaoh is called mummy. 11. Tutankhamun's mummy. Tutankhamun's mummy was discovered by Howard Carter. By Howard Carter. Carter, comma, an Englishman in 1922. In 1922. And the last point is the discovery attracted people around the world, across the world to ancient Egypt. Those are the points. Now we have to write the summary on the basis of the points that we have picked up, and you have no need to furnish any title for a summary. Title is essential, indispensable for a précis, but for summary no title is needed. So you just start writing the summary, and we are now writing the summary of the given passage. I have told on earlier occasion that when you pick up the points, you have to study them very minutely, and then you have to make them simple sentences using non-finite verbs and noun in appositions. It will make the sentences shorter, and the passage itself would be shorter on the basis of such short sentences. So we just join the sentences in different ways so that it can be shorter. So I am just starting that summarizing. Tutankhamun, comma, the son of Tutankhamun, the son of Akhenaten, comma, that is, just try to notice, the son of Akhenaten, it is an apposition, a noun in apposition, and here you can find how these 2 points, Tutankhamun was the son of Akhenaten, it just get combined with the main sentence. Tutankhamun, comma, the son of Akhenaten, became the Egyptian king, or Pharaoh. And here 2 information again get jumbled up, get combined. To jumbled up information get combined only because you have written the Egyptian king or pharaoh. That means here there is a point. Egyptian kings were called pharaohs. It becomes combined in one sentence. The Egyptian king or pharaoh at the age of 10, at the age of 10, 10 only. You may spare the word only if it becomes an excess. Only, and reigned between, and reigned between 1332 and 1323 BC. BC is one word because it's an abbreviation. During his tenure, just try to notice, my boys, here the information, the first four information, Egyptian kings were called pharaohs. Second information was Tutankhamun became the pharaoh at the age of 10. 3. He was the son of Akhenaten. What I was telling you, just try to notice. Here the first 4 points, Egyptian kings are called pharaohs. Tutankhamun became the pharaoh at the age of 10 years. Next 3, he was the son of Akhenaten. He ruled between 1332 and 1323 BC. These 4 points here has been assembled in one sentence. Tutankhamun, 4 sentences have been assembled in one sentence. Tutankhamun, the son of Akhenaten, became the Egyptian king or pharaoh at the age of 10 only and reigned between 1332 and 1323 BC. You have to combine the points in this way. 4 sentences have been combined here in one sentence, and just in this way you have to do the same thing. Then next sentence, during his tenure, Tutankhamun ventured to build many construction projects around Thebes and Karnak. Okay. Sorry, this one should be capital. Here also, he constructed many buildings around Thebes and Karnak. He constructed many temples and monuments. He constructed many dilapidated temples. These 3 points, you have to write in this way. He arranged to build many construction, he arranged to build many temples and monuments and to rebuild or reconstruct, whatever you must write, rebuild many dilapidated temples. Okay? He suffered from different physical ailments, and would use a cane for walking. Both are correct. According to the tradition of ancient Egypt, according to the tradition of ancient Egypt, Tutankhamun's body, Tutankhamun's body was preserved as mummy, which was discovered by Howard Carter, a Breton, in 1922. The discovery of Tutankhamun's tomb, Tomb, the pronunciation is not tomb but tomb, made the entire world interested in ancient Egypt. And the summary is over. It is around 100 words. Okay, you may count it afterwards. It's around 100 words. So this is how to write a summary, and you have to do it in your own way, because this passage will not be given in your exam, and you have to take this as a model, and you have to practice writing summary in such way. Thank you, my boys. We have learned a new thing today, and tomorrow we shall learn how to write a newspaper report. So thank you for attending the class, and goodbye for today.